everyone. Hello everybody. I am here in Pearland, Texas. Gillen's Barbecue Place is a very popular restaurant here. And it's plenty of people right now. Please like, comment, subscribe everyone. Is in line to order the barbecue. You have to be in line. And a lot of people eating dine-in here. Thank you everyone for watching. Please subscribe. I'm picking up to-go food here. To-go food. Ribs barbecue. To-go food. I order some.
All the way? Sure. Pico de gallo, salty malaga.
Some food to go over here.
And also one carrot cake.
Potato salad.
Yes, sir.
Here it is. Here it is, the beef ribs barbecue.
41.
And carrot cakes. Carrot cakes and that plate is
Is it in?
not cheap.
No?
Here.
No? Can you do it?
Thank you everyone for
I did the other
watching.
way.
Please comment, please like,
I did it.
please subscribe.
The sign right there.
Gift cards. I use my Mother's Day gift card for my son. Have a good and blessed day, everyone. Outside the restaurant, they're having party over there. Outdoors. You can eat outdoors.
Thank
Going
you.
to the
I'm
parking lot
done. I
now.
got that ribs.
Thank you world for watching. God bless.